Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of DJI's latest innovation, the DJI NEO. This compact and lightweight drone is packed with features that make it a must-have for any drone enthusiast. Jasper Ellens shared the first footage in X. And see this flying footage. And fast and unboxing video created by Channel Free Films. I will show you some clips of a drone. There are new details shared by the DJI NEO. This sleek and powerful drone boasts an impressive flying time of up to 31 minutes. That's right, you can soar through the skies for over half an hour, capturing stunning aerial footage and exploring new heights. But that's not all. The DJI NEO also comes equipped with a 4K camera, allowing you to capture stunningly detailed footage that's perfect for your next adventure or professional project. Plus, with its intuitive controls and easy-to-use interface, you'll be able to take to the skies in no time. So, if you're looking for a powerful and portable drone that can help you capture breathtaking shots, the DJI NEO is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, keep exploring